In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a payment for your Google Workspace business email. If you need to update your billing or settle your subscription fees, just follow along and we'll walk through the process step by step. To begin, navigate to Google Workspace using your web browser. This is the main platform where you manage all your Google services. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Admin console. This is where all administrative tasks are handled, including billing and payment management. Next, log in using your business email credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the email associated with your Google Workspace account and that it has administrative privileges. Enter your password, and once your details are confirmed, you'll be inside the admin dashboard. From the Admin console homepage, navigate to the Billing section. Within Billing, look for Billing Accounts or a similar option that lists your billing accounts. Click on it to view all billing accounts connected to your Google Workspace. Select your Account ID. This will open your specific billing account interface where you can manage transactions and payments. Once inside, find and click on the Make a Payment option. This will take you to a new page where you can enter your payment details. Now type in the amount you'd like to pay. Double-check that the amount is correct, as this payment will be applied to your Google Workspace subscription or any outstanding balance. After confirming the amount, click Continue to move to the final review stage. Review your payment details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, complete the payment process. And that's it. You've successfully made a payment for your Google Workspace business email. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.